so today I did another halo eye. Shocker, what's new? I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's begin. So I'm gonna start with an orange and a purple from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. Just take any orange and purple you have. So I'm first gonna pack on the orange with a Sigma E35 tapered blending brush. And I'm just gonna pack that on as high as I can. I always try to pack it on really high, but I just never get there because I'm scared that it might touch my eyebrow and it would look really weird. So I'm just tapping it in before I blend it out. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but I've actually been speaking softer in my videos, and it's because of the woman upstairs. I swear, I might be paranoid, but I swear she's listening to me. I notice that as soon as I talk, I can hear her start walking right here. Like, I always hear her walking over there on that side, but then as soon as I start filming, I hear her walking. It's like she's trying to listen to me. I don't know. Like I said, I could just be really paranoid, but I swear she could just be listening to me. Okay, now we're just gonna softly blend out the edges of that. Okay, I'm just gonna add one more layer so it's really vibrant. Okay, now I'm gonna add that same orange to my lower lash line using a Sephora number 23 brush. I mean, if you watch my other videos, you'll notice that I always use the e.l.f. smudge brush. But this always happens. Usually when I'm playing with makeup and a bunch of my brushes are dirty, I'll have to use my least favorite brushes. And I didn't have any of my clean e.l.f. brushes, so I just grabbed this Ofra one. And I love this one way more. It's softer. Yeah, this feels so much nicer and softer on my eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the purple in the palette and a Sigma E38. It's just basically a smaller brush than the one I used earlier, just so it doesn't completely cover this orange. So again, just tapping that on first. I noticed that purples are really hard to pack on, like they look really muddy on top of some shades. So it's gonna take a while for me to pack all of this on. Okay, now after that's blended out, I'm gonna pack on some more of that purple and then blend it out again. I'm gonna add some to the inner and outer third. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend it out again. I'm just gonna go back and forth like that. I'm gonna tap it on and then blend it out, tap it on and then blend it out, because purples are really hard, at least on my eyes, to stay on the lid. So again, just back and forth, adding the color and then blending it out. Okay, now I'm gonna put that purple shade on the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna create a halo eye. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger than I usually do because I'm gonna be putting like 3 shades instead of 2. I know I just did a halo eye, but that's kind of how my mind works when I'm doing videos. Like, I'll be doing cut creases for a while and then I'll switch over to doing halo eyes. My brain kind of likes sticking to one thing and then getting bored of it and then going to another thing, getting bored of it. It's a little bit bigger than I usually draw it. Okay, I'm just gonna add some more of that purple to the inner outer because you can see it's a little patchy here. I think it never sticks to this part of my eye because, like, that's where my wrinkles are from my hooded eyes. That's just my guess. Okay, now we're gonna go into a bright pink. This palette doesn't have a bright pink, so I'm just gonna grab one. So just grab whatever bright hot pink you have. I'm gonna be using the shade Pink Lemonade from my Slush palette. And we're gonna be tapping that on right near the purple. I'm just going to use my Anastasia brush to fill in this little spot right here where my regular brush can't fit. See, like right there? Because if I used any other brush, it would move into the purple up here. I hope that made sense. Okay, and I'm just going to slightly blend it in towards the purple. Just dragging it. Okay, now for the orange, I'm going back into my Zulu palette and packing that on right next to the pink. Don't worry about going too in because we're going to cover that anyways with glitter. Again, back with that Anastasia brush to fill in that little gap. And then I'm just going to add some more of that pink and purple. Okay, now I'm going to add some yellow in the middle. It doesn't really matter because we're going to be covering it with glitter, but I still want something to be covering that concealer. Okay, now for the scary part, I'm going to be going in with Ofra's Yellow Submarine. After I used this in my other video, it worked horribly. Like, I couldn't get a straight line and it was patchy, so I'm trying to give this another shot. That's actually why I did this look, because I wanted to use this again. But I guarantee you this is gonna kind of not go well. If they put this in a liquid liner form, oh my gosh, that would be amazing. Maybe ColourPop would do that since they came out with their colored mascara. I'm so excited for that because I've been looking for a blue mascara since forever. I'm going to go in with this and a Sigma E11 eyeliner brush. I guarantee you this is going to go south. I know Ofra isn't listening, but if you guys just made a liquid liner of this, I would be so happy. Because I'm not going to breathe or talk. Like, why does it get so clumpy? Okay, I feel like that's the best I can do. Hopefully the yellow glitter will help it kind of look more even. Okay, so for the yellow glitter, I'm going to be using Impulse Cosmetics Alert. Okay, I'm just going to tap on some glitter glue right in the middle and kind of add that yellow glitter where that line is. Maybe not too much because I still want that pink and the orange to show up. Okay, once again adding that orange and the pink and the purple. I just don't know why these colors don't want to stick to my lid. Since that glitter looks like one straight line, that's why I need to blend it into the orange. And then back to the pink. And then back to the purple. Okay, so that took forever. Let's go to the other side. Again, just dabbing a tiny amount of this glitter glue. Okay, now we're gonna use Ofra Space Baby for the brow bone highlight. Okay, now so for the inner corner, I'm going to be using Smolder Cosmetics Moonstone. This is basically Ofra Space Baby times 10. See, this is Ofra Space Baby and this is Moonstone. They look very similar, but this looks so much better on the inner corner compared to this. And this looks horrible on the cheekbones. So I mean, even though they look similar, they work better different ways. So again, just adding that to the inner corner. Okay, so I'm just going to put on some lashes, eyeliner, and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be using Dose of Colors Berry Me Too. Obviously, you can go in with a nude, but any chance for me to use a magenta lipstick, I will do it. And this shade is actually the closest I can find to a magenta I'm looking for. I still can't find the perfect magenta. If I was to create just one makeup product, it would be a magenta lipstick, and I would make sure that I would have that color made for different skin tones, yeah, that would be the only thing I would want to create, is a magenta lipstick. All my lip brushes are actually dirty, so I'm just going to use a pencil brush just for the outline so it doesn't get all over my face. I love the shade. This is just one dip into the tube. It looks very burgundy in the camera, but it's like kind of like a bright purple. Maybe when it dries down you can see the color better. Okay, we're all set with that. I love magenta berry lipsticks, obviously, but they're always so patchy. I have no idea why. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.